All right, what everybody is talking about, all of us are concerned about how our weather changes as we go from this beautiful Tuesday afternoon through the late weekend into the weekend. Changes you're going to notice tomorrow. Now, a storm system that's already making a little bit of snow in parts of the northern Rockies will push into the western Dakotas through our Wednesday. So the western part of the state of North Dakota and South Dakota will see moderate to heavy snow develop and start on Wednesday in the early day, while we'll have pretty dry weather for most areas. The best chance of rain will be in the north, but many of us could see some sprinkles or showers by Wednesday. It will be cloudier. It will be cooler as well for all locations. So Wednesday, a day of transition. Thursday is the real question mark in the forecast and what makes this dynamic system difficult to forecast. There will be changes to the forecast, but right now models show this pink area, that rain snow line, that critical temperature of where we're going to see rain. We could get some icing in there, some sleet falling as well that could accumulate on roads, but it's going to wobble back and forth. And where this line sets up will be critical. To the west of it, Thursday all day will provide a big dose of snow, 6 to 12 inches. Many of us just seeing rain, saying, Hutch Johnson, where's that snow you talked about? On Friday, a second wave comes with this system. As this storm intensifies here, see the low pressure center and all these isobars mean that on Friday, the snow will be more likely for more of our area. And the wind looks like it could be quite ridiculous with gusts over 50 miles per hour for some. And that could cause problems, snow, blowing snow, and near blizzard conditions. So pay attention to the forecast. It is going to change. This isn't going to be exactly what it looks like. This is just one model's rendition. Snow continuing into Saturday. Here's a look at a couple models and how much they are showing for potential. And you can look at these numbers and say the American model says, wow, how about 18 to 19 inches in Fargo and over 30 in Grand Forks? Yeah, you can throw those out. These overdo it sometimes. But the potential is there for narrow bands of quite heavy snow by the time we get to Saturday night. Here's the European model. Hutch likes this one better. It's a little farther to the west with its heavy snow, but still well over a foot to 2 feet. My thinking is more confidence in our western counties, west of the Red River, getting bands of heavy snow. And if you get hit by both waves, the one into Thursday and the one into Saturday, we could see isolated areas with a foot to 18 inches of snow quite easily, along with the winds. So some things to keep in mind. The impossible travel. We could have tree damage that causes power outages. Frozen pipes, if you haven't taken your hoses off or taken care of that business, that could be a problem. Localized street flooding, threat to livestock, and also because of the high winds, high-profile vehicles could be at risk of being overturned. So we have this watch that you see crawling across the bottom of your TV screen. The western counties, the threat is Wednesday through Friday. Here in the Red River Valley and points east, Thursday and into Saturday. So a storm system that will impact the region from Wednesday through Saturday. That's a slow mover, and those are the kind that often do produce large snow amounts. Right now, still way west of the Rockies, just pushing into the Cascades. Right now, temperatures still holding near 70 degrees. It's windy, gusts over 20 miles per hour out of the south. Those are going to continue, and temperatures in the morning will be in the 50s. Tomorrow, we'll see an increase in clouds. We'll have temperatures that warm up the first half of the day, but then north winds will cool us off. There'll be a chance of sprinkles and showers in our northern counties throughout the day that will push south maybe by evening. So changes in Fargo include more clouds and wind that'll be southerly at first, northerly with falling temperatures late, and rain developing late in the Southern Valley. Look at these afternoon temperature variations from 38 in the Devil's Lake Basin to about 68 in Lakes Country. Speaking of Lakes Country, how about this beautiful shot from Nadawash Tracy? Thanks for sharing. Planning forecast shows the mess that happens Wednesday into Thursday, the transition days, and then on Friday into Saturday is, I think, when the valley and points east will be hard to hit. And then after that, the Bison game, well, pretty blustery out there for those folks. Again, changing forecast. So
all right,
we'll
keep us posted.
We will.